Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Microsoft 365 conditional access policies safely. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring Microsoft 365 conditional access policies, ensure you have the necessary permissions. Log into your Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Navigate to the Security section. Select Azure Active Directory. Locate the Conditional Access option in the sidebar. Take note of all existing policies, as you'll need to replicate them later. For safe transfer, export the existing policies. Use either PowerShell or the Azure portal for the export process. If using PowerShell, first install the Azure AD module if you haven't done so. Open PowerShell as an administrator. Connect to Azure Active Directory by running the command, connect Azure AD. Once connected, use the command get Azure AD MS conditional access policy. Export the policies to a JSON file using the following command, get Azure AD MS conditional access policy out file path c:\path/ to your exported policies.json single quote. If using the Azure portal, simply go to each policy and manually document the settings. Once you have the exported policies, open the JSON file for editing. Review the policies to ensure they match your desired configurations. Make any necessary changes to adapt to the new environment. Next, navigate to the destination tenant where you want to import the policies. Log into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center for the new tenant. Connect to Azure Active Directory again. To import the policies, you can use the PowerShell command, new Azure AD MS conditional access policy input object, get content c:\. Alternatively, you can create new policies manually in the Azure portal based on your documentation. After importing or creating the policies, ensure they are enabled. Test each policy in a safe environment before fully deploying them. Monitor the impacts of the newly transferred policies. Adjust the configurations as necessary based on testing outcomes. Document any changes made during this process. Finally, keep a backup of both the original and modified policies for future reference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.